Lemko Language, Lesson 12, Home and the Locative Case. Lemkiuski Jazyk, 12 lekcja, Dim I Miejscowy Odminok. Rooms of the home. Let's go over the most common rooms found in a home. Pokój, pokój, or alternatively, izba. Izba means room. Kuchnia, kuchnia means kitchen. Jadalnia, jadalnia means dining room. Świetlica, świetlica means living room. Spalnia, spalnia means bedroom. Lazniczka, lazniczka means bathroom, more specifically, one with a bath. Toaleta, toaleta means bathroom, more specifically, one with only a toilet. Pid, pid means attic. Corredor, corredor means hallway. Pelnicza, pelnicza means basement. Bedroom. Let's go over the most common things found in the bedroom. Pościel, pościel means bed. Koc, koc means blanket. Zaholowok, zaholowok means pillow. Szafa, szafa means closet. Dvery, dvery means door. Ścina, ścina means wall. Lampa, lampa means lamp. Kitchen. Let's go over the most common things found in the kitchen. Pets. Pets means oven. Sparhet. Sparhet means stove. Zlew. Zlew means kitchen sink. Lodówka. Lodówka means refrigerator. Morozilnik. Morozilnik means freezer. Szafka. Szafka means cupboard. Gracia. Gracia means dishes. Steel. Steel means table. Kreslo. Kreslo means chair. Living room. Let's go over the most common things found in the living room. Kanapa. Kanapa means couch. Dywan. Dywan means carpet. Telewizor. Telewizor means TV. Światło. Światło means light. Żarówka. Żarówka means light bulb. Policzka. Policzka means shelf. Schody. Schody means stairs. Firanka. Firanka means curtain. Podłoha. Podłoha means floor. Mebli, mebli means furniture. Povala, povala means ceiling. Bathroom. Let's go over the most common things found in the bathroom. Vmyvalka, vmyvalka means bathroom sink. Vchodok, vchodok means toilet. Vano, vano means bath. Doshchnik, doshchnik means shower. Ruchnik, ruchnik means towel. Mydlo, mydlo means soap. Zerkalo, zerkalo, or alternatively, prezeralo, prezeralo means mirror. Locative case. The locative case primarily indicates that the noun is the location of a subject, object, or action. The locative case is always with a preposition such as v meaning in and na meaning on. Example, the book is on the table. Table would be in the locative case in Lemko. Nouns in the locative case answer the questions okum, about whom, and ochum, about what. Instances of when a noun is in the locative case include location, certain prepositions, and telling time. In this lesson, we will take a closer look at location using the locative case. Personal pronouns in the locative case. To say I in the locative case in Lemko, it is me, me. To say you singular in the locative case, it is tobi, tobi. To say he in the locative case, it is nim, nim. To say she in the locative case, it is ni, ni. To say it in the locative case, it is nim, nim. To say we in the locative case, it is nas, nas. To say you plural in the locative case, it is vas, vas. To say you formal in the locative case, it is vas, vas. To say they in the locative case, it is nich, nich. Masculine nouns in the locative case. To put a masculine noun in the locative case, one needs to do the following. If the final letter is h, add either u or replace h with j. If the final letter is ch, add either u or replace ch with she. If the final letter is k, or it's a noun denoting a male person whose final consonant is non-palatalized and ends in o, the ending is u. If the final letter is miaki znak or yot, replace miaki znak or yot with u. If the final letter is l, n, sh, j, r, or ts, add I. For all other nouns, add e. Let's look at examples below. Voroch, meaning enemy, becomes vorochu, vorochu, or alternatively, voroji, voroji. Hudak, meaning musician, more specifically, one who plays a string instrument, becomes hudaku, hudaku. Bil, meaning pain, becomes boliu, boliu. Chlopec, meaning boy, becomes chlopce, chlopce. Văhliad, meaning window, becomes văhliadi, văhliadi. Feminine nouns in the locative case. To put a feminine noun in the locative case, one needs to pay attention to the following. If the last consonant is palatalized, or zh, sh, ch, or sh, the final vowel changes to I. If the last consonant is any other letter, the final vowel changes to E. If the last consonant is either h, k, or h, the last consonant exhibits the following changes. H becomes s, k becomes ts, h becomes z. Let's look at the examples below. Hăja, meaning house, becomes hăje, hăje. Žena, meaning wife, becomes ženi, ženi. Noha, meaning leg, becomes noji, noji. Chwilja, meaning weather, becomes chwile, chwile. Vishnya, meaning cherry, becomes vishne, vishne. Pasija, meaning passion, becomes pasei, pasei. Neuter nouns in the locative case. To put a neuter noun in the locative case, one needs to do the following. If the last consonant is k, the final vowel changes to u. If the last consonant is any other letter and the final vowel is a, the final vowel changes to e. If the last consonant is any other letter and the final vowel is e, the final vowel changes to I. Let's look at the examples below. Selo, meaning village, becomes seli, seli. Povereslo, meaning straw rope, becomes poveresli, poveresli. Pole, meaning field, becomes pole, pole. Nazwisko, meaning surname, becomes nazwisku, nazwisku. Serce, meaning heart, becomes serce, serce. Jabłko, meaning apple, becomes jabłko, jabłko. Plural nouns in the locative case. To put a plural noun in the locative case, one needs to do the following. If, in the singular form, the noun is feminine and ends in a, neuter and ends in o, or masculine and ends in a hard consonant, the ending becomes ach. Conversely, if, in the singular form, the noun is feminine and ends in ya, neuter and ends in e, or masculine and ends in a soft consonant, the ending becomes yach. Let's look at the examples below. Hăja, meaning house, becomes hăjach, hăjach. Chwilja, meaning weather, becomes chwiliach, chwiliach. Pasija, meaning passion, becomes pasijach, pasijach. Selo, meaning village, becomes selach, selach. Pole, meaning field, becomes poljach, poljach. Văhliad, meaning window, becomes văhliadach, văhliadach. Keen, meaning horse, becomes koniach, koniach. Kierpec, meaning moccasin, becomes kierpciach, kierpciach, or alternatively, kierpcoch, kierpcoch. Note, some nouns have variants of the plural locative case, such as kierpcach and kierpcoch for kierpec. The ending och applies only to masculine and neuter nouns whose final consonant is ts. Though this may be encountered in text and speech, the endings ach and yach are much more common. Example sentences. Człowiek czeka w pokoju. Człowiek czeka w pokoju. The man is waiting in the room. My siedzimy na kreslach. My siedzimy na kreslach. We are sitting on the chairs. Widział twój gierok w szafie. Widział twój gierok w szafie. I see your jacket in the closet. Woda jest w umywalni. Woda jest w umywalni. The water is in the bathroom sink. Mama rychtuje wieczerju w kuchni. Mama rychtuje wieczerju w kuchni. Mom is preparing dinner in the kitchen. Muryanka chodить na stoli. Muryanka chodить na stoli. An ant is walking on the table. Jedzenie jest w piecu. Jedzenie jest w piecu. Food is in the oven. This concludes Lesson 12. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.